What if I told you the biggest difference between being broke and being rich is not money, it's mindset? Two people can earn the same salary. One stays broke forever, the other builds wealth. Here's the difference. A broke mindset says, I can't afford this. A rich mindset asks, how can I afford this? Broke mindset spends first and saves what's left. Rich mindset invests first and spends what's left. Broke mindset works for money. Rich mindset makes money work for them. When they get extra cash, the broke mindset upgrades lifestyle. The rich mindset upgrades assets. Broke mindset avoids risk completely. Rich mindset takes calculated risks to grow. And here's the truth. Wealth is built in decisions nobody sees. The books you read, the skills you learn, the patience you keep. Being rich isn't about showing off. It's about thinking long-term while others think about today. Change your mindset, and your bank account will eventually follow.